A simple, super way to make money online while you sleep. And I always give a free ebook at the end. Go to clickbank.com and sign up. Click on the affiliate marketplace. Select a category. I'm going to select e-business and e-marketing. You want to sort by gravity and make sure the gravity is over 20. Find a product that you want to promote, like this one. $362 commission means when someone buys, they make $362. You're starting to see how people are making a lot of money online. Set up a social media account about that product and niche on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, and Clapper. Hey, this is called affiliate marketing, and it is easy as it sounds. Go to my link in my bio and start your journey today.